Hola, everybody. Are you feeling a little bit bloated? Here are 10 fast Mediterranean diet-inspired snacks that not only help to reduce that puffy feeling, but also take care of other problems you might be experiencing when your gut health is out of whack, like cramping, gas, constipation, diarrhea, IBS, or heartburn. But before we get into the whys, let's jump right in and I'll explain the basics of how to avoid feeling bloated and maintaining a healthy gut as we go along. Number one, cottage cheese and berries. Berries and cottage cheese might be a perfect breakfast on the Mediterranean diet, but it's also the perfect combo for an anytime bloat-busting snack too. Cottage cheese is low in lactose and rich in fermented probiotics, one of the 4 keys to maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria. And berries, like the ones I'm loading up on, are packed with another of the essentials to eliminate bloat: fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which aids in digestion by adding bulk to your stool and feeding helpful gut bacteria. And if that weren't enough, these colorful berries are high in antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin C and K, which can help reduce inflammation in your gut too. So when you combine the creamy texture of cottage cheese with the natural sweetness and tartness of blueberries and raspberries, you create a fast, yummy, and easy snack that reduces bloat and supports gut health by providing a balance of protein, fiber, and probiotics. Number 2, pears, pistachios, goat cheese, and honey. You could simply munch on a handful of this favorite Mediterranean nut, pistachios, and you'd be doing your gut a big favor. But when I'm a little hungry in the afternoon, I'd rather take a couple of minutes and throw together a pretty little combo that reduces that gassy feeling. It's as simple as slicing up some fresh pears, a prebiotic which delivers on water-rich fiber and pectin, sprinkling a little crumble of probiotics in the form of another low-lactose classic Mediterranean ingredient, goat cheese, and topping it with the prebiotic power of pistachios. I picked pistachios not only because they're a great flavor combination with pears, but studies have shown that eating pistachios can increase the level of butyrate-producing bacteria, which are essential for maintaining gut health. And if you don't have the time to assemble this tasty little plate, just pack those pistachios in a recyclable bag for a quick snack on the go. We've already covered 2 easy snack favorites, and I hinted at 4 keys to reduce bloating. So before we continue, let's talk about why you might be feeling bloated and what good gut health really means. There's been a lot of news lately about the importance of good gut health, because when your gut gets out of whack, it can affect all sorts of things. It's the reason you might feel bloated or gassy or constipated. You might experience diarrhea, IBS, or heartburn. And it's not all about your tummy. Poor gut health can affect your immune system, sleeping patterns, brain function, heart health, and weight regulation. So in a nutshell, it's all about having a healthy balance of bacteria and other microorganisms in your digestive system to help you process food properly, absorb essential nutrients, and fight off bacteria and infections. And the solution is pretty simple, whether you're planning an entire meal or just grabbing a snack. The 4 things you need to keep that balance are fiber-filled foods, both soluble and non-soluble types; fermented foods, important prebiotics and probiotics, yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut; water-rich foods for essential hydration; unsaturated fats to keep everything moving along smoothly. And the 4 things you should avoid are ultra-processed foods, added sugars in foods, added saturated fats in foods, and alcoholic beverages. When you follow a Mediterranean-style diet, it's a solid way to build a healthy gut because the core of the Mediterranean diet includes those same 4 good things that promote a happy tummy. And when you pepper the day with one of these tasty little gut-boosting snacks, you're packing in nutrients, fiber, hydration, and pre and probiotics to keep your digestive system happy and healthy all day long. Number 3, burrata cheese and tomatoes. So here's a simple and super colorful example of how to get those 4 good things on one simple snack plate. Start with fermented probiotic power of burrata cheese. Surround it with water-rich, nutrient-dense benefits of fiber-filled ripe red tomatoes, and top it off with a little basil for flavor and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to boost your daily intake of healthy fats. Number 4, roasted cauliflower and garlic hummus with veggie sticks. Chickpea hummus is a Mediterranean classic, but when you switch it out for simply roasted cauliflower and garlic dip, you get a dip that delivers on everything you need to keep your tummy calm and happy too. Cauliflower provides important soluble fiber and water, but be aware that it also contains a lot of insoluble fiber too, another trigger for indigestion. So be sure to roast it first before blending it into a dip. Raw cauliflower can definitely cause some irritation for some people, but the cooking process goes a long way to reduce those troubles and turn this into a smooth, rich, simple snack paired with veggie sticks. Number 5, tzatziki and whole grain pita. Tzatziki is a really refreshing classic Greek treat that combines the probiotic powerhouse Greek yogurt, loaded with beneficial bacteria that'll help maintain a healthy gut flora, water-rich cucumbers, magical medicinal garlic, and a little bit of lemon juice with a sidecar of some whole grain pita chips for dipping to boost your fiber intake. And does it meet the 4 keys requirement? You bet. It's a hydration-drenched snack that's high in protein, fiber, probiotics, and vitamin C and B12. Number 6, kefir smoothie. I first learned about kefir, a drinkable fermented dairy product that's rich in probiotics, when I moved to Spain. Think of it like yogurt on steroids. The probiotics in kefir can improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and boost your immune system. And you don't even need a blender for this smoothie. I just like to swirl kefir with some of my favorite fruits like bananas, strawberries, or mango, stir in a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds for good measure, all to make a really quick, delicious smoothie that's perfect for gut health. Number 7, green goddess dip. If you're in a hurry, you can go the fast and easy route and just enjoy some mashed avocado slathered on whole grain toast for a simple snack to reduce the bloat. But I like to have a little bit more fun with the healthy avocado and blend it with some yogurt, feta cheese, anchovies, and whatever fresh green herbs I have on hand to make a scrumptious, cool, and refreshing dip for summer. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which are essential for digestion. The fiber in avocados is a mix of soluble and insoluble types, helping to maintain regular bowel movements and feed beneficial gut bacteria. Before I talk about number 8, here's a little bonus bloat buster. If you've noticed, I'm drinking an herbal infusion while I film this video. It's for a good reason. I created a little blend of crushed fennel seeds, ginger slices, and peppermint and let it steep in hot water while setting up the shoot. Each of these ingredients are magical when it comes to balancing your gut and reducing bloating and other gut issues. Hot or on ice, the power of all 3 teamed up into one drink is a real definition of a power shot. Number 8, chia pudding. Chia seeds might be tiny, but they're pretty mighty when it comes to soluble fiber content and anti-inflammatory gut health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provides about 10 grams of fiber, which is 40% of the daily recommended intake. And when soaked in liquid, they become a little jelly-like, making them perfect for a pudding snack. I like to grab a little serving from the fridge when I take the time to meal prep a few servings the night before. Just mix the chia seeds with a little bit of your favorite milk, a little bit of honey or maple syrup, a dash of vanilla extract, a touch of cinnamon, a bit of salt, and let it sit overnight. The next day you'll have a sweet snack for the late afternoon that's high in fiber and great for your digestive system. Number 9, dark chocolate and strawberries. Once again, I give myself permission to reach for my favorite snack in all the world, dark chocolate. But this time, I'm pairing it up with water-rich strawberries so I feel even better about it, knowing it's actually doing my tummy some good too. Dark chocolate, especially the type with high cocoa content that's 70% or more, is rich in polyphenols, an anti-inflammatory prebiotic that helps promote growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Together, dark chocolate and strawberries, which are 91% water and high in soluble fiber, provide a perfect balance of sweetness and diversity of good-for-me gut bacteria. Number 10, kiwis. If there's one simple fruit known for helping out with bloat and gut issues, it's the little juicy, tangy kiwi. They're high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements and prevents constipation. And that fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in your gut. Plus, kiwis contain an enzyme called actinitin, which helps break down proteins and improves digestion. They're also rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and potassium, which can reduce inflammation in the gut. So if you're feeling a little puffy and can score some at the store, eating kiwis regularly can help your digestive system run smoothly and reduce bloat, making them the perfect gut-friendly snack. Oh, and by the way, save this treat for the end of the day. This little kiwi is perfect for an after-dinner dessert because the nutrients can help you get a good night's sleep too. And one more thought, reducing that bloated feeling and maintaining a healthy gut is not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. So follow another of the golden rules of the Mediterranean diet. Slow down, take your time, enjoy your snacks, and listen to your body. These snacks are some of my favorites, but I'm really curious, what's your go-to healthy snack? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you later.